If the product's in North China and the other product is in South China, you will think headache about how to ship the products. Hi, I'm Stanley from RLK Group. At RLK Group, we operate as a comprehensive trading company and also specialize in total office integrated strategy. We provide a lot of different kind of office product, such as small stationery items, desk items. For example, ball pen, stapler, puncher, eraser, ruler. What you can think of stationery we can provide. Even for ball pens, there is different kind of ball pens. There is eco-friendly ball pen with eco-friendly material. There are 4 colors ball pen, and there is also the document-proof ball pen. Secondly, we are also providing paper and document management product, which is paper product, A4 copy paper, notebook, writing pad, memo pad. And how about the document protection product, which is the laminating pouches, the L-seal folder, the multi-punch pocket. We're also offering office furniture and environment stuff, which is the office chairs, adjustable table. For office chairs, we can do ergonomic office chair that help you to improve your health and make you more comfortable. On the other hand, we provide warehousing and logistic product, which is the stationery tape and also the packing tape. We offer different variety of office stationery products. Besides the products itself, our RLK Group can provide certain services, such as inspection, quality control, and we also help to consolidate shipment. If you order different kind of supply product that is made in different factories, for example, for laminating pouches, it is produced in Yixing area in Shanghai. For packing tape, it is usually made in Jiangmen area in South China. So you can imagine if the product's in North China and the other product is in South China, you will headache about how to ship the products. In our RLK Group, we can help you to make consolidation. We order from South China, we order it from North China, and then ship it together. So you don't have to think about ordering issue with different suppliers because we have a big supply base all over China. Our RLK Group can help you out for the products and also from shipping. Please contact our RLK.
Still losing sleep over ordering office supplies from China? Let RLK Group do the heavy lifting. If you want more insider sourcing secrets and industry tips, smash that subscribe button, follow us, and ring the little bell. Catch you next time.